Hi there, and welcome to Cryptos Genie. We have a brand new topic for you today. The Chia cryptocurrency made early waves in the storage industry. When the altcoin went live, it looked like the hot new commodity. But diminishing returns and the lack of pooled farming were serious drawbacks. Pooling now has come back with a vengeance. The total net space of Chia rapidly expanded from less than 1 exabyte when trading went live, and now sits at over 32 exabytes. The altcoin is now well on its way to triple-digit exabyte levels. So, is Chia about to explode? Continue watching to find out everything about Chia mining. Today we're going to talk about the exciting prospects of Chia mining. The altcoin has caught the attention of serious investors. The volatility of the crypto market suggests that a positive spike for Chia could happen soon. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video as we bring you the latest on Chia. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on new updates in the world of crypto investing. Before we begin, a quick recap. The crypto market as a whole is going down. Chia has currently been on a downward trend for the past day. The coin's price is $42 at the time of this recording. Chia is a very different beast compared to other cryptocurrencies. Some of the fundamental concepts are the same, but Chia ditches the proof of work algorithm. This may sound like sacrilege to crypto enthusiasts. What the altcoin instead does is implement proof of space. Rather than mine coins by using large amounts of processing power, Chia only requires storage plots. The plots, however, need to be filled with the correct data. You may wonder that Chia mining sounds similar to real-world farming. You are correct. The analogy is intentional. First, you need to clear a field. Then you plow and seed the field. Then you wait for the crops to grow. The growing can take a bit of time. Now, each Chia plot ends up being like a bingo card. There's a lot of math behind it. Each time a block challenge comes up, the Chia network determines a winner based on various rules. If your plot matches and wins the block, you get the block reward. Currently, it is 2 Chia coins. That block reward is set to decrease every 3 years, for the first 12 years, after which the block reward will be static and infinitum. The official FAQ lists the reward rate at 64 XCH per 10 minutes, and it will get cut in half every 3 years until it's at 4 XCH per 10 minutes, with a block reward of 0.125 XCH. Your chances of solving a Chia coin block are basically equal to your portion of the total network space, or net space. Right now, Chia's net space sits at roughly 32 EIB. That means if you dedicate a complete 10 trillion bytes of storage to Chia plots, your odds of winning are 0.000027%. This may sound like terrible odds, but here's where things get interesting. The catch is that there are approximately 4,608 Chia blocks created every day. The rate is 32 blocks per 10 minutes, or 18.75 seconds per block. Any one of them could match your plot. Simple math can then give you the average time to win, though Chia calculators make estimating this far easier than doing the math yourself. A completely full 10 trillion byte hard disk can store 91 standard Chia blocks. 91 blocks on a single 10 trillion byte HDD works out to maybe winning a block every 2 years. Now comes the twist. After several months of waiting and delays, pooled Chia farming has finally arrived. To get started with a Chia pool, it helps to have a list of available options. Mining Pool Stats, which opens in New tab, has what you're looking for. You will most likely want to select one of the pools that shows the official pooling protocol logo. Generally speaking, the larger the piece of the pie that a pool has, the more regular your payouts will be. Space Pool currently has 223 PB of plots, for example, the most of any pool using the official protocol. H-Pool, which developed its own custom software right near the start of Chia farming, still controls about a third of the known net space. But that percentage is slowly dropping. Before you can join a pool, you'll need to get a Chia wallet up and running. If you just install the software and try to sync normally, it can take more than a day just to download the current blockchain. We recommend doing a search for Speed Up Chia Sync by downloading, and then looking for someone with a torrent or other download that's reasonably up to date. That should get you synced up with the blockchain potentially within 20 to 30 minutes. Once your wallet is all synced up, you can finally work on joining a pool. You'll need a small amount of Chia, called Mojo, to get started. There are various Chia faucets that will give you anywhere from 100 to 500,000 Mojo once per day. Feel free to hit them all using your wallet address from the GUI. But note that even 500,000 Mojo is currently only worth about $0.000115. The Mojo is required to create a small pooling contract. Even just one Mojo is sufficient. You can create the NFT plot either via the GUI or the command line. For the GUI, head to the Pool tab on the left. Then click Join a Pool. If you don't have any Mojo, you'll get a link to the main Chia faucet where you can get 100 Mojo. If you already have some Chia coins, get to the third screen that allows you to specify the pool address. This needs to be the full HTTPS URL. If it's a valid Chia pool, you should get some additional details once you paste in the URL. You can also create a pool contract from the command line. Open a command prompt and head to the folder for the currently installed version of Chia. On the Windows machine, you can cd installation directory, then type chia.exe plot nft create-s pool-u. Either way, it will take a few Chia blocks to confirm the creation of your pooling contract, and then it should show up in the Chia GUI. One potential pitfall with the plotting process is that it needs to run 24/7. This is where the Mad Max plotter comes into play. There are multiple variants of the Mad Max plotter. We recommend the v0.1.1 release from Stotix. The best part is that you don't even need Chia or anything else installed. Just download the plotter and open up a command prompt. Get your NFT address from the GUI or from the command prompt. From the GUI, head to the Pool tab. Mouse over the question mark next to the plot NFT you want, and you can click to copy that. The address you want is the P2 singleton address for the plot NFT you're planning to create plots with. Besides this address, you'll need your public farmer address as well. Get that by typing chia.exe keys show. You'll want the public farmer key. With both the contract address and farmer keys in hand, you can now create plots using Mad Max's plotter. This is where the speed of your CPU, SSD, and memory will come into play. The difficulty with your SSD choice is that you'll want to balance that speed with endurance. A super fast SSD that wears out its NAND after 600 plots would be a problem. That's why we recommend going with slower enterprise SSDs that are rated for significantly higher endurance. Fast SSDs with high endurance are important and also generally a lot more expensive. You should also make sure the final destination for your plots is an area that's registered in the Chia app. The new plots should automatically get picked up and start earning pooled rewards. Check with your pool stats page to verify it's working. It can take a bit for the first rewards to start showing up. Rather than run Chia mining on a single PC, we recommend being a Chia harvester. The idea is simple enough. You're better off with a single Chia node on your network that handles all of the challenges and updates. The Chia network traffic doesn't use a lot of bandwidth. There's no sense in having multiple PCs all trying to sync up. The current blockchain size has already breached 3.2 gigabytes of capacity, and it's only going to grow larger over time. Ideally, you want to choose your fastest PC for the full Chia node. Then configure all of the other PCs on your network as harvesters. These will point at the main node and won't require synchronization. It is highly recommended you ditch the GUI and get comfortable with the command prompt. That should not prove to be difficult. And that's all we have about Chia mining for you today. Hope you enjoyed watching our latest video. While you're still here, please go ahead and click one of these two videos on your screen. Please do not forget to check out our website and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description. Thank you for watching.